What's good, y'all? This is my hair from DSoar Hair. As you guys know, I have worked with DSoar Hair many times, and they are such an amazing company. You guys should definitely check them out. Description box down below. Today, I'll be trying out their 22-inch headband wig. You guys know the headband wigs are very popular these days, and I've seen so many different YouTubers put them in different styles. I personally like to wear mine just the regular way. They are so easy and convenient. I cannot stress this enough. This is the natural state that it came in, and throughout this video you guys will see me curl it. And then I tried to do it in this little style, which you guys will see it wasn't working out for me. So you guys will see my ending result if you keep watching. Okay, so here's the start of the headband wig style that I was trying to do. So it would have turned out really cute. The curls turned out great on the wig. I have no complaints about the hair whatsoever. It came out nice. I love it. Only complaint that I have is my hair. My hair was not cooperating. Like, I ended up putting my hair in flexor rods early that day. And then by the time I came home from one of my errands, poof, my hair was all poofy, and it just did not look cute in this hairstyle like it should have been. So in the video you'll see me take it down, and I'll just put it on like the regular headband style. And I bought me some cute headbands so I don't have to wear the ones that they send me because they don't match anything, honestly. And I found the cute headband from H&M. So basically that's all I'm doing throughout this video, guys. If you guys are liking the hair and how it turned out, check out DSoar Hair in the description box down below, and don't forget to use the coupon code. She likes the way I eat down. She likes the way I put it down. She likes the way. Also, let me just mention, if you straighten your hair, like, do you guys have the problem where after a couple days, like, your head is just super duper sore in the middle? Like, I've always had this problem for the longest, and the only way it goes away is if I wash my hair. That's the only way the soreness will go away, and it will be so sore, like, it will hurt so bad. And I haven't had my hair in a ponytail. I don't know what it was from, but my head was also hurting in this video, so I was, yeah, you see my face right there? I was really frustrated. right here is where it starts to look kind of cute. Like, y'all get the concept of what I was trying to do, right? It would have been real cute if my hair was straight, and I wasn't putting heat on my hair at the time, so I didn't want to put any heat to it to curl it. But I should definitely try this hairstyle again. It was cute. Okay, what's good, y'all? This is my hair from DSoar hair. Be sure to check them out in the description box down below. This is my hair after a couple of days. I've had these curls in for maybe about like 4 or 5 days now. The curls hold very well, so I'm very pleased with the outcome. And on the next video, which you guys will be seeing soon, you will see me try to style it with my hair, so stay tuned for that. And that's gonna be it for today's video. Bye, guys.